Hey guys, welcome to our pregnancy update for week 30. If you are not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please click the thumbs up to let me know that you're enjoying this. Also, I will link below and above in a card my entire playlist if you want to see the weekly and occasionally bi-weekly breakdown of my pregnancy thus far. So it is week 30. We are up 21 pounds total since the beginning of the pregnancy. Feeling pretty good, a little tired. I think that's kind of to be expected. I think just tired and hungry all the time is pretty much where I'm at. A little bit of an increase in hip pain to be specific, some lower back pain, but particularly hip pain if I fall asleep in a position and I stay there for a long time, which you would think would be a good thing, but it definitely can cause some irritation and like discomfort after a little while, so I have to switch up positions. She doesn't seem to like when I'm on my left side, which is the side they recommend you sleep on, so I'm usually on my right. Yeah, she doesn't seem to care for the left. For whatever reason. I feel like she's just moving and poking and prodding and just not, I don't know. Makes me think she doesn't like it. I have no idea. Maybe she loves it. So I've been doing my back, like laying on my back a little bit too, just to get some relief and switch up the position a bit. Oh, belly shot. I feel like I've skipped this a couple weeks in a row, and I did not intend to. So here we are, looking pretty substantial. As far as bellies go, pretty proud of this. I just am craving like lemonade or strawberry lemonade. Like I like something sweet a lot. Usually I'm just water, no big deal, no question. That's just what I drink all the time. But I have been craving and giving in occasionally a couple times a week, maybe once a day sometimes, to strawberry lemonade or Sprite. So just one glass, nothing crazy, but yeah, that is like different from my usual. Still really enjoy steak. I don't know if that's new. I guess it's new. I really enjoy steak. It's delicious. And if Sean could make and grill steak every night, that would make me very happy. So we've definitely done that a couple times. He's certainly not objecting to that, that dinner choice. I'm in a group of other moms who are due at the same month, and a bunch of them were like, oh my gosh, like first time mom, the nursery hasn't even been started, or the nursery's only halfway done, what do I do? And a lot of moms were like, you've got time, like you only really need like diapers, onesies, a bassinet, and maybe the glider, you know, like you don't need everything set up super ahead of time. You know, the baby's not going to be going in the nursery, you know, at the get-go. Most likely if you're doing some sort of co-sleeping bassinet, you know, type thing for a couple months, that's what you're going to have. So you don't need everything put together. So that did make me feel a little bit better because I'm not the only one who's panicking, but I'm definitely, there are people that are completely done with their nursery, and I'm just like so jealous. I did start packing my hospital bag. I don't know. So I don't know if you guys have any recommendations as far as that goes, what you packed or what you didn't pack that you thought you needed. If you want me to do a video on what I pack, I absolutely will. I thought I would definitely do one after, hopefully, if I'm not too exhausted, after she's born, and just share what we packed that we needed and we really, you know, were happy. I'm afraid of doing a video now because that's just telling you what I hope I need and what I'm packing, and that's not really necessarily, I don't know if I'm going to need all that stuff. So I might wait and just do the video after and tell you, you know, I'm so glad I brought this, 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 and this, and I wish I brought this, you know, because that would be more helpful and useful for you. But I'm excited, and I got the basics in there so that, and I know Sean is like, Jen, you have like 9-10 weeks, like you're fine. And essentially he's right. But also in this group of women who are due in September, they shared that like 2 or 3 of them, and again, this is, I don't know how many women this is total, but 2 or 3 of them shared that they already went into labor and had their baby early. So of course the baby was like 3.5 pounds or something like that because it's early. But thankfully our technology and everything is wonderful, and so the baby and mom and everybody's fine, so it's all good. But I was just like, oh my gosh, it could happen now. And I seem to be going in between, like, I'm not in the middle at all. I'm either like, oh my gosh, I'm going to give birth. I can't believe this. Like, I'm so anxious. We have nothing ready. To like, everything's fine. It's all good. Like, I can't seem to find a middle ground. So I just seem to be going back and forth between the extremes. I don't know. It's a big deal, but at the same time, women have been doing this since the beginning of time, you know, and we all manage, and I'm lucky I have great family and friends, you know, in the area, very close. My mother-in-law and my mom are like each a mile away. And I've Sean, you know, so like I'm not alone in this. I have plenty of help. I just am a dork, and I just want to be as prepared as possible so that, you know, every possible outcome is, you know, planned for. And my skin looks so good compared to what it was at the beginning of the pregnancy. I am so happy because it means I can wear less makeup. And as much as I love makeup, obviously, I would rather not have to like shellac concealer and foundation on my face every day to cover up all of the redness and the breakouts and the acne and such that I was experiencing. So, and I have done nothing different. This is definitely hormonal. I have not changed products or any, I mean, I'm less stressed because I'm not working, so if it's stress related, then it's going to be coming back any moment. But if it is hormonal, then it is just cleared up on its own, which is lovely. Which just goes to show you that it's not like, people are like, oh, you're eating junk food, or oh, you're not taking care of yourself. Like, no, it's a lot of times it's just hormones, and your skin does what it does, and it's nothing that you are doing incorrectly, you know, just is what it is. Anyways, okay, that's it. Thank you guys so much.